Hi guys, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be planning in my Happy Planner from the 15th through to the 21st of June, and I'm going to be using this kit from PansysPrints. So I've cut up what I'm going to be using and just stuck it onto some baking paper so that it's easier for me to lift up what I want. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pop down my day covers here. Now because these strips aren't quite as wide as the entire day covers, I kind of had to make sure that I had them in the middle so that they could sort of just cover up the days on their own. And then down the bottom here I am just popping down all of my full decorative boxes. I used a double box there on the weekend. And then just out of ease then I decided to pop down all of these pink glitter headers just along the top of the decorative boxes there, just so that you couldn't see those little black lines anymore. And now putting down the to-do headers, and then I'll be popping down the to-do full boxes next. I popped this one down and completely squint, and then it took me forever then to peel it all back up. I managed to get it back down and straight in the end. And then popping down the bottom washi, which I usually do when I do the top headers, but for some reason I forgot today. And then the more glitter headers then along the middle boxes here. And then some half boxes in the middle of these middle boxes, and then I just write on those like the priority tasks for the day. And then working on my sidebar, just a full decorative box here, and then my 3 habit trackers. I use 3 habit trackers every week. And then a to-do box here for things that need to get done this week but I'm not sure which day. And then my TV tracker, and that box down the bottom is usually where I put my weight for the week. Then opening up my One Crafty Country Girl sticker album here and popping down my Dad's Day and Dad Weekend stickers. And my Darling Dear Payday sticker. And then these are just my planner stickers that I put down for the days that I do my planning. A shopping sticker, and then these are celebrate stickers because it's my dad's birthday on the Monday and then it's Father's Day on the Sunday. Not that I'll get to see my dad either day. 2 trash boxes, trash stickers there, the weekend banner down the bottom, and my Sparkling Life Everyday banner. So then just popping these back into my planner, and then I started using a pencil now to write in my planner. I don't know why, I tend to find I write neater with a pencil, so that's what I started using. And then just popping in then what the important things are that I need to do this week using my pencil. Alright guys, that's me finished my spread for next week. I'm not actually going to fill in my to-dos. I'm going to do those daily rather than doing them all at the beginning of the week. I'm just trying something new to see how that works, but then all of these things are things that are set in stone. They're not going to change. So as always, I will leave a link in the description down below to the kit that I use, along with my Instagram and One Crafty Country Girl's Instagram and One Crafty Country Girl's website with my discount code, because all of these gorgeous darling deer stickers, those are all from One Crafty Country Girl. Okay, so as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Happy planning. Bye.